Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish Lessons, and it is Gule. So, thank you so much for all your support on Patreon, on YouTube, everywhere. So, you share my videos, you comment, I don't know, and you sometimes share your opinions with me, and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much for all your support. And so our topic is quite interesting today. It's not grammar, but it will be very, very useful. So the topic is 3 tips for sounding like a Kurdish native speaker. We all want to sound like a native speaker, right? So I really want to sound like an American native speaker or Russian native speaker, I don't know. So my first tip is for you to use our question particle ma as much as possible when you ask a question. So ma is our question particle. We know in Kurdish, when you make a question, you don't need to change the order of sentence, right? So it means you make this with your intonation. So you say to mamostei, are you a teacher? But when you say ma to mamostei, it sounds more native, okay? So there are some examples here. For example, ma tu chitki. What do you do? What are you doing? Ma tu chitki. And by the way, you see, I write chitki, but when we speak, we say chitki, okay? Chitki, it's very fast. Chitki, chitki, okay? And another example is ma te kharun khar. Ma te kharun khar. Did you eat food, meal, okay? Like, and the other one is ma bavete chigot. Ma bavete chigot. What did your father say? Ma bavete chigot. Okay, so try to use ma as much as possible with your questions. Ma tu chitki, ma tu chawayi, ma te chikir, ma te chidi. Okay, as much as possible. It sounds really native. And the other one is to use some strange sounds. So how? So we have 2 of them here. One of them is wa, and the other is na lo or na le. So when you're surprised, when you don't believe, say wa. For example, it is summer now, and someone says me, berf dubare. It is snowing, so I say wa. Wow, berf dubare. So you don't believe and you say, really? Wow. And na lo, it's almost same. So when you speak with a man, you say na lo. Na lo, like really, na lo. And when you speak with a female, you say na le. For example, I can say, as haftaya be dichim Texas. Okay, like next week I will go Texas. And you can say na le. So I am a lady. You have to say na le. It means really. So you don't believe and you want to be sure. Really, na le. Okay. Wa and na le. So try to use these wa when you don't believe. When it is really strange or interesting or weird. Okay. And the next, the last one is. It's also quite common among people. The last one is, so you see it's here. So you know our pronouns are men, which means I, and we use as a subject of past tense. Or when you say my, okay, mine, to me, etc. But in this case, we write men with n, but when people speak, they say m. Without n, he drop n, and only say m. For example, mkhar, I ate, medit, okay, anji, or mkhwand, like I studied, I read. And of course we have another pronoun, it is one, which means they, and min and one, they end with consonant n, so you can drop them. So you can say wa good, they said, wa did, they saw, wa khwand, they read. Okay, so I have these 3 tips for you for sounding like a Kurdish native speaker. ma. Try to use ma. And don't forget about nale, nalo. And the last one is m or wa instead of mun and one. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me, for all your support.